show us your contraption. We got this Franken-style drone right here. We're gonna have to do some range tests first, but now, how are we gonna actually attach this to our line? What's your expensive system you've got going on here?
A little bit of camping cord and a peg, so don't tell the wife.
Okay, you took that from the clothesline?
Yeah, it's one of her good pegs too.
Okay,
so,
alright.
So now we just get a loop on the fishing line.
Yes.
Put it through here, and the idea is have your fishing reel in free spool.
Yep.
So you just drag it off an open bail.
And you think this will clip it out?
It will. So not much tension on there at the moment.
What about if I give it a yank?
Yeah, give it a yank. Not much tension.
Ooh, okay.
So the old Whoop battery rubber band.
Yes, yes.
Double that around the peg, give it some more tension.
Okay, and then when we flick the bail arm, this should drop the bait.
Should. Hence why we're using a Frankenstein style drone. So it's,
You're up, you're clear. Yep. Up a high, up a little higher and forwards. Yep, out there. You tell me when you want me to be out there. You ready?
Yeah, give her a flick.
Perfect. I think that worked amazing. Honestly, we are out a fair distance. We've used about half the line here.
About 150 meters, I reckon.
It was just spooling off perfectly. That's a fantastic little invention. Alright, so it's great fishing weather. How you going, Steve?
Yeah, good, man.
Currently. Alright. Stop. Oh, no. Line of sight skills.
We've already had one accident, haven't we?
We have.
Right, don't scratch your car.
How about this one? They call me quad mower, not mover.
Oh, man.
Like half.
Nah. It's not me, man.
Oh, what happened? Man, you are ripping on that pack. Slow down. I'm not going to tell you what to do. You're not going to make it around this. You're going to crash on this lap. Oh, you're up the right way again. Oh, jeez, you alright, bro? Disarm.
Disarm.
Are you alright?
Where's return to home?
Return to home is on the lizard person.
Where
So
my arm switch
right, is that where your arm switch is? Yeah. Okay. Don't press that
I won't press
until it's time to actually return. I'm going to get you to press it in case we lose it. Then I can blame you. All right. We're excited that we have Run Cam's head track and gyro, and if you've been on the channel for a while, you know we can't fly wings very well, but we've got Stickman Steve in the background. What?
You said Run Cam.
Did I say Run Cam?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, we better start that again.
Yes. I was like, I think so. I think the single. Oh no, I just had.
Oh, what's happening?
It's dead. It's died. It's just crashed.
Okay.
Hey,
Do you know where you are?
Yeah.
Where?
At someone's farm.
No, I meant, do you know where the drone is? The options. We're going to hover. I'm going to press the GPS recovery button. It's going to do nothing. It's going to come back down and land somewhere here, or it's going to disappear, like going 100 miles an hour somewhere else. What do you think it's going to do?
I want it to come back, do its job.
Yeah.
I know nothing about it, but I think it's just going to do nothing. Just because the issues we've had today.
Okay, all right, let's try it.
Yeah.
Can you? Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
It's going. I don't know. That's. Sorry, I had to bring that back. I don't know where that was going.
It's like.
I can.
I think the camera can see what I'm.
Okay, I did it. We made it. How'd you hurt your back? Oh gosh. Oh, in one giant swoop. Where Steve smashed his drone into pieces. How was that, Steve? Did that go well?
Good, yeah.
Don't worry though, because I've fixed it for you with this right here. So we did say, I think you said or I said we could just got some zip ties, put it back together. That's what we've done. I don't know how it's going. Do you think this will fly?
Oh, I think it's definitely going to fly. Whether it's going to have...
I don't even know if it's going to power up though after you smash it. I didn't do anything.
Oh, you haven't even done that?
No, I've done nothing. I just literally strapped some zip ties. I haven't even cut them down.
That's sweet, man.
And I know you were busy away at work. And I said, yeah, I'll fix that for you, Steve. Don't worry. This is about as far as I got.
So this has gone from an awesome fly fish 3-inch to a squid drone.
Yeah.
And now it's a chopstick drone.
Yeah, well, it's maybe a toothpick or something chopstick. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to say in the comments, are you going to be able to do
Mate, I'm going to
one
hit that
lap?
trick.
Oh, okay, all right.
If this flies, I'm hitting it.
Steve's going to hit the trick with that. All right, let's do it. Success, yes or no? Let me know if you think Steve's going to succeed. All right, let's fire it up. I want to see if it even hovers first.
Oh, shit.
Do I need to cut those?
Nah.
No?
No way. How are we going to find it?
Any smoke, Steve?
No magic smoke.
Okay. Do you want me to take it to a bit of a clearing?
Nah.
I don't trust this thing. I don't even know why I asked Steve. Do you want me? I'm hoping you say yes. He's like, nah, it'll be right. It'll be fine. Okay.
What could go wrong?
A little bit. All right, DVR on.
I'll just turn them on. We'll do a quick arm test and see what happens.
Nah, DVR, you got it, you got it. Oh, you want to do a quick arm test? Yeah, okay, okay.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. Oh, no. Oh, bro. Did you do that?
It's on autopilot.
Did
man.
you do
No.
that? No way.
Yeah, look.
No,
Oh, it's broken already.
You press...
I did it, man! How can I do throttle that quick?
Steve, what have you done to my chopstick?
Well, chopstick's fine. Chopstick held up.
No, it's not. They're both broken
Yeah,
again.
you just turn them over.
Oh,
and
okay.
bend back the other way.
Unplug that. It's making me nervous.
Well, we tried.
So I need to. You did nothing then,
No, I just armed it.
and then it decided to take off by
It was
itself.
in angle mode too, so I was like,
Man, that's weird. It just.
well, you know
Went
what
to
they
the-
say.
went to the moon.
Once a squid, always a squid, mate.
I don't think that's a saying. You did crash that into the pool.
I did.
Charlie, there's nothing here. It's not plugged in. On your bed. On your bed. Second hand, Steve. Here's my plan, right? I'm gonna go practice it out there first.
Yep. Where all the water is.
Maybe not over the water. Maybe up a bit higher.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna hit the gap a few times.
Yeah, for sure.
And then I'm gonna try and do the trick. What is it?
I don't know.
Steve's flip. Steve's flip.
Yeah. Such a nice drone, man. Don't crash it, eh?
Shut up. All right. So, Steve, I want you to know.
I love this drone.
This is one of my favorite drones that I fly, my scratch build. Here we go.
Crap. Oh, I nailed it.
Oh yeah, okay.
You've been out here practicing. Haven't you, Stu?
I think I stopped breathing while I was doing that. All right, I've got to do one more because I can't.
Mate.
I feel like nervous, shaky. Like I'm pumped that it worked and I didn't break or lose anything.
Yeah.
How is it? How's the light? How's the footage?
It's starting to get really grainy.
All right. Hey!
Oh, yeah.
Look how
Jesus.
Yeah, well, is that way darker than you were
Yeah.
thinking?
Oh,
Like
hell
the
yeah.
camera makes it
But you
look
can-
so different.
Yeah, you can tell because it's getting grainy, but when you take the goggles off, like,
It's like dark.
that must look cool.
Oh yeah, it looks amazing.
That was fun.
Do you want to see it in the air?
Yeah, they'll change packs.
Do you want me to throw it? How low are you?
Oh no, you'd be right.
Yeah, I'll just do one flight for you.
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
I haven't actually changed anything about the craft.
You see how it looks?
Yeah, it looks sick. Oh, dude.
I'm up pretty high.
Yeah.
I had to like.
Yeah.
I had to
Good job,
dodge
man.
the cars, dodge everything.
Good job. That's a sick glide.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to fly so you can see just how good it looks in the air.
Looks awesome.
All right.